Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. So from this video onward, we are going to build an application that is like WhatsApp, and then we'll implement the end-to-end security feature, which means that every message you send from a device to the other device is encrypted, and the message can only be readable only when it gets to the other device, and the other device can decrypt it, and then message is readable. So I have the finished version of the application and I'm going to test it out now on the screen. But just to mention, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the turn on the notification bell or icon. Just click on it and turn it on so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So to get started, I'm going to test out the application now. I have my two devices running and one is signed in with the accounts of Marcus Kane, and the other is I think this should be Raven Reyes. Also, yes, Raven Reyes. So I created some users just to test out the application. So we have Raven Reyes, Jasper Jordan, Clark Griffin, Bellamy Blake, Monty Green, John Murphy, Marcus Kane. This over here is my database. As you can see, I only have the users collection. There's supposed to be another collection here which is for the messages, but it is not there yet until you send any message. So I'm going to send any message. I'm going to click on Evan Reyes. I'll click on Evan Reyes and open Microscan. Open both. So I'm going to send a message to Raven Reyes from this device. I'll say hello and I'll click send. You notice once I click send, the message says hello, and it gets to Microscan's device, or sorry, Raven Reyes device, which also says hello. But one thing to note is that the message just didn't go as a plain text, it was encrypted. Here's what I mean. I'm going to go back to the database and refresh my Cloud Firestore database, which is what we'll be using for our application. And inside the messages, I'll open the message collection and then the user ID, the message, the random ID that was generated, and this is the message information. So we have the key. The key is the encryption key. For every encryption there's a key. So without the key, you cannot decrypt the message. So the encrypted message is sent along with the key, and this is the encrypted message. But in here it says hello, but here it's just a random string, which means it's encrypted. So I will answer, I'll say hi and click send. So these once I click send, there should be a new firestore data which is here, and I'll open it. Just okay, so it has a new ID and then a new encrypted text. So I can just keep going. I can just keep on chatting and talking, but just at least you get the point. So the video will be I'll start recording, I think, right away or later, but this is just the intro, the overview of the entire project that we are going to make. And in this video we are going to use Kotlin, of course, and then the database is going to be Firebase, and we'll talk a lot about Kotlin development. In my last video, I did an introduction to Kotlin programming language, and then I stopped at creating a Kotlin class. So throughout in this project we were about to make, I will cover a lot of Kotlin stuff there also. Kotlin class, object class, data class, all of them, you see them there. So I encourage you please to subscribe if you've not done so, and feel free to share this video with your friends, and thank you. I will see you in the next video.